Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. This set of nails is a little bit different from what I would normally do, as I'm normally a vibrant person when it comes to my nails, but I thought I'm going to do a subtle set using the pastels from Tia's Beauty. So the first one we're coming in with is actually Radiant White, which is actually a core powder. I'm just going to put this on the ring finger. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but I do struggle with this hand as well as my other hand for the tips forever moving out. So it's quite hard to actually get that cuticle bead, so I try to keep it as wet as I can to blend it in. Like I say, it's trial and error with these things. Then we're going to come in with the Tia's Beauty acrylic in Lemon Drizzle. It is actually a very, very pale yellow colour. It's really nice, so it's very subtle. Like I say, I am going for that subtle effect today. I'm literally going to just lay this acrylic on all the other fingernails. So I'm just going to leave it to watch what I'm doing. Once we've laid down the yellow acrylic, we're going to come in with these leaves that I think I got from rather Shein or AliExpress, but my strong suspicion is Shein. It will be in one of my hauls if you're interested. And basically we're just going to put a few of these leaves over the thumb, and I think I did it on the middle finger, and then we're going to cap it in clear. Before I actually did do the capping though, I did trial this sticker using the clear first, just not on the nails, because sometimes the clear acrylic and the monomer can wash out some of the sticker colour or remove it completely. It didn't do that, so that's why I came in with this. And then this is also from Shein. I did struggle with it, it kind of bent and everything, but it still looked effective. And we're just going to lay that over that white nail, and then we are going to cap that in the clear again. Yeah, it was the middle finger that I actually decided to put these leaves on, and they stuck really well actually. It was a bit of a pain to get off the sheet because they're so thin, but they did really go on very nicely. And again, we're going to cap that in the crystal clear from Tia's Beauty. And in case you didn't actually know, you can get 10% off the Tia's Beauty products using my code Dizzy10. I'm not getting paid for that or anything like that, but I just want to share the code with you. Then I'm going to take the treasure chest also from the glitter range from Tia's Beauty, and we're just going to do a glitter fade on the little finger and the pointy finger, and then we're going to cap that also in the clear. And the reason we left these till last is because if we get any of the glitter in the monomer, it's not going to then transfer to the other nails. It is a bit of a pain doing it in sections like this, but it's well worth it because I would have been annoyed if I'd have got any glitter on the leaves or the sticker nail. Now we're going to come in and do some 3D acrylic flowers, and we're going to come in using carnation. I do feel I probably should have gone with a stronger pink, because but when you'll see it at the end, they do become quite washed out. I feel like it would have been better contrast, even if I'd have used two pinks, so a light pink and a darker pink. But I'm using my 3D acrylic brush from Crystal Nails. It's actually called a 3D brush. And we're just laying a little bead down, and then we're going to squish the middle a little bit and then shape them up. And I'm just going to do a few of these flowers, so while I'm doing them I'll leave you to watch them. Once you finish, you want to come in the centre using the Tears Beauty Apricot. This is again a very pale orange colour, very pastel-y. I did make a boo-boo on this actual nail. I should have top coated before doing the flowers, so I did end up having to go around it with a little brush. And the top coat I use is the tempering top coat from SBD London. I'm just going to top coat the rest of those nails, and then we're going to cure them. And then here you'll see me going around with the little brush trying to get it so the top coat wasn't as even as it would be normally. This time I remembered to top coat the thumb before laying down the flowers, and then we're going to cure that again. These flowers I did end up doing a little bit bigger, and because obviously the thumb is bigger anyway, but they did pop a little bit better than on the other finger, just because obviously they are bigger. And I do believe, in my opinion, the leaves of the petals just looked a little bit better. I did a better job, I guess. And these are the finished results, guys. I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.